I must ask you a question. Never mind. I'll shave it for later. What is up, you guys? Thank you for clicking on the video. My name's Elizabeth, and yes, this is a different setup than my normal setup, but today's video is just going to be about my vanity. You've heard me talk about it in previous videos, but it is 90% done, so I figured I'd kind of make a video. I'd like to make one disclaimer really quickly. I don't know what I'm wearing right now, but I'm actually kind of digging it. It's like a cat shirt with a corduroy thing, but I'm just kind of digging it. Second disclaimer, I am in no way, shape, or form a professional vanity builder, but I did do this by using my resources, by watching YouTube videos, and I'm very pleased with how it came out for the price that I paid. This wasn't an overnight thing. It did take a few weeks, and I'm very pleased with how it turned out. So if you want to see the finished look, then keep on watching. Don't forget the like and subscribe button before you leave the video. I would greatly appreciate that. Greatly. So without further ado, let's continue. Okay, so really bad angle, but another disclaimer is please do not mind the rest of my room. Right now it's a little messy. Yes. Ah, here it is. Here it is. Ah, ah, ah. I did it, guys. So my vanity just came in all these pieces, and we are going to set it up. To start off, I want to talk about the vanity itself, and I purchased the Alex lemon. I don't know. It was $107, and it has these 5 drawers right here. The top did not come marbled. I'll talk about that later, but I did that myself. It has great storage. I'll also talk about that a little later, but $107, that might seem a little pricey. I'm on my bedroom floor now, but I literally couldn't find anything cheaper. Like, I knew IKEA was great quality, and I knew it was going to be a great investment. So I went ahead and just splurged and got it, and I'm so happy with it. So that's that. Oh yeah, and I even tried to DIY my own little cute sparkly trash can. It looks great from far away, but up close, oh, it had a makeup wipe in it. It's a little rough. We'll just keep it at this distance because it looks better that way. But this was super cheap, and I thought of it on my own. Granted, it's going to be underneath my vanity, so not a lot of people will see it, but I'll be able to see it, and I'll love throwing my trash in it. Next is this marble vinyl. I purchased this off of Amazon. I believe it was like $12 for a roll. I still have some of it here. I didn't use all of it, but it was very difficult to apply. I tried applying it by myself, but then Connor had to help me. I did have to cut it down to fit, so that took quite a little bit of time, but I also, guys, like, I didn't get all the air bubbles out, so there's still some peeping through, but like I said, like, it's just me gonna be using this basically in my videos, so I'm not too picky about it. Oh, and one more thing. Oh, I'm very upset about this. I wanted to purchase a piece of plexiglass to put over the vanity top, just so, like, my makeup would get on the plexiglass if I did get makeup on it, and not the actual desk. But when I put these little things in for my mirror, I was being a little dumb, and I didn't think to leave enough space for the plexiglass. So the plexiglass is a no-go for right now. I'm just trying to be super clean with it. Next is the actual lights and mirror. I purchased the mirror for $20 at Home Depot. It is a frameless mirror. I purchased the little chrome light holders from Amazon. I believe they were $20 each as well. The light bulbs, I do have to tell you, I made another boo-boo. But it's okay, I corrected it. I had originally got the iridescent bulbs, and I quickly found out, literally in 30 seconds after putting them in, that they were not going to work. One, they got hot literally after 10 seconds, and two, they're really bad on saving energy or whatever. So I returned them, and I got these LED lights. I believe, yeah, it was $10 for 3. Like, yes, they are more expensive, but I've had my Vanity on for like an hour and a half now, and they are still not even hot. And I got the daylight bulbs, so it's more of like a natural light. I'm kind of digging it, you know. But so all in all, everything for the mirror and light part equaled out to about $100. But I want you guys to keep in mind that if you were to buy one of these mirrors online, they run from anywhere from like $200 to $400. So for me, it was a win, and it was also a learning experience doing it, and I had fun, and I think that's what matters. Okay, so next is what I currently have on my Vanity, and right now I just have this cute little turntable. I think I got it at like Walmart or something. I have all my face brushes, a few of my cute eyeshadow brushes and face brushes that I wanted to sit out for people to see. So like I have my mermaid ones, this cute new one I got from TJ Maxx from Real Techniques, super cute. Some Q-tips, some cotton balls, my beauty blenders, my glasses, some tweezers, and then I have my collection of lip glosses and matte lip creams. I have a cute little candle, and my two favorite palettes, the Morphe both Morphe palettes, and then my little mirror. How you doing? How you doing, boo boo? What's up, girl? Oh, also to my left, I have my ring light stand and my ring light, so I have that accessible. Okay. Now let's talk about what's in my Vanity, because we all know it's what's inside that really matters. Oh my god. First drawer, we have we have all my foundations. We have the rest of my face and eye brushes that couldn't fit on top. Wah, wah. And then we also have my 2 hairbrushes and then my ponytails here in the back. And I also, I'm going to take this out so I can show you. I also purchased this like, it's like this stuff you put on things so they don't move. I don't know. I purchased it from Dollar General, and it's this cute little thing that's just on here, and I cut it down to size, and it helps from the like containers not sliding around and stuff. So I thought that was just a nice little extra touch that I added to each of the drawers, give it my own. Second drawer, I have my concealers in this little container right here. My setting, not my setting sprays, hello. My finish, what is this? Primers, my primers in this little thing. And I have all my highlighters, my setting sprays and blushes, which is not a lot because I don't wear blush a lot, whatever. And then in this one, I have all my setting powders. Yes. Okay, so my next drawer, I have my makeup wipes and then my Mary Kay makeup remover. I have all my lip products that I didn't have room for on the Vanity. And then I have some my eye glitter creams and single shadows and stuff like that in here. And then I have like some little palettes that I have that I couldn't fit in my little thing that I want to show you next. And then I have my very few pairs of eyelashes on this one. And then this one, I kind of like have to join the two. But this one, I have my mascaras. Get over here. My mascaras on one end. And then on this side, I have my brow products and my eyeliner products all right here. So, and then this drawer is just my makeup palettes right here. And then I have my single shadows in a ice tray. Super easy hack you can do So yeah, I just have like my color pops, my single shadows, stuff in the next drawer. It's just kind of like my miscellaneous drawer so far. I just have a few of my lotions, my curling iron, and my straightener. Oh my god, I almost forgot. How could I almost forget? Right now I'm sitting on a chair that I made for our kitchen right now. I know it's cute. It's cute though. But I want to get a furry chair. Like, you know, like the kinds you see that are like fur on a chair. Those are also very expensive, ranging from $200 plus, $150 plus. So I haven't decided yet if I'm just gonna give in and buy one or if I'm going to attempt to make one. So that is going to be my next thing. So if I do end up buying that or making it, I will keep you guys updated, because I think that would literally just like top off this little setup. So thank you again for watching this video, and have a great day whenever you're watching this, and peace out.